The best sports cars on sale in 2018.
There's a huge selection of nippy sports cars currently on sale, from affordable drop-tops to high-powered V8 coupes.
We've rounded up the 10 best models out there to help you pick the perfect car for a spirited Sunday afternoon drive.
Here are the 10 best sports cars currently on sale in 2018.
1. Mazda MX-5.
The Mazda MX-5 might not be the quickest sports car out there. Even top-spec 2.0-liter models take more than 7 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour from rest.
But its lightweight chassis and fabulous handling make it one of the most entertaining cars you can buy. As an added bonus, the latest RF variant comes with a folding hardtop to make sure your fun won't dry up when the heavens open.
Read our full Mazda MX-5 review or take a look at the Mazda MX-5 deals page to spec up your perfect car and see how much you could save.
2. Audi TT.
From the frugal 2.0-liter diesel coupe to the rip-roaring 395 horsepower TT RS Roadster, there's something in the Audi TT range to suit everyone.
Whichever model you pick, you'll be treated to exquisite styling both inside and out, and Audi's fantastic virtual cockpit display.
It might not offer the raw, white-knuckle ride of some rivals, but it's still one of the best all-round sports cars on sale.
Check out the great Audi TT deals on offer or read our full Audi TT review for an in-depth look at this stylish sports car.
3. Toyota GT86.
The Toyota GT86 takes a back-to-basics approach to the sports car recipe, teaming a modest 197 horsepower engine with a lightweight chassis and fantastically responsive controls.
Its divisive looks won't be to everyone's tastes, and its interior quality lags significantly behind other cars.
On our list, but few rivals can turn a series of mini roundabouts into as much fun as Toyota's diminutive two-door.
Check out the Toyota GT86 deals page to find the latest savings or read our full Toyota GT86 review for full details.
4. BMW M240i.
Squeezing a 335 horsepower turbocharged straight-six engine into BMW's smallest coupe has turned the standard 2 Series into the M240i.
A Larry rear-wheel drive sports car that'll sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in as little as 4.6 seconds.
Not only is it available as a hairstyle-ruining soft top, but the standard two-door model boasts 4 usable seats and an impressive 390-liter boot, too.
5. Porsche 718 Boxster. Mounting its turbocharged flat-4 engine behind the driver helps the Porsche 718 Boxster feel sharper to drive and more balanced than many rivals.
Entry-level 2.0-liter versions will crack the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in 5.1 seconds, while range-stopping 2.5-liter S models boast a more athletic 4.6-second figure. Both, however, feature equally smart and well-appointed interiors.
6. Fiat 124 Spider.
The Fiat 124 Spider is based on the Mazda MX-5's chassis but sports an altogether different, but no less eye-catching, retro design. The changes Fiat's made are more than just skin deep, however.
Under the bonnet, you'll find a chirpy 1.4-liter turbocharged engine in place of the Mazda's 1.5 and 2.0-liter.
Units, while a more forgiving suspension setup helps turn the 124 into a more comfortable cruiser than its Japanese sibling.
7. Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type's show-stopping looks and raucous 375 horsepower supercharged 3.0-liter engine lend it two distinct personalities. The first is a sumptuous, refined cruiser, happy to slink from beachfront to boulevard, turning more heads than corners.
The second is a brutal backroad barnstormer that'll take great pleasure in sprinting from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds.
And filling the air with an old-school 6-cylinder scream.
It might not be the most advanced sports car out there, but it's certainly one of the most charismatic.
8. Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang is available with a 2.3-liter turbo engine borrowed from the Focus RS, but, for the full fat muscle car experience,
we recommend you pick a 415 horsepower V8 model.
This all-singing 5.0-liter unit might feel distinctly last century compared to more modern rivals.
But it'll launch Ford's iconic sports car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an impressive 4.8 seconds. 9. Mercedes SLC.
The Mercedes SLC makes a strong case for itself as an everyday premium sports car. Its interior feels solid, looks smart, and the ride is more comfortable than many more focused competitors, while the addition of a folding metal roof makes it less tiring on long motorway journeys, too.
There's a wide range of engines on offer, from an affordable 184 horsepower 2.0-liter petrol unit to a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 and AMG SLC 43 trim that'll hit 62 miles per hour from rest in 4.7 seconds. 10. BMW Z4.
The BMW Z4 boasts, in-range topping S-Drive 35 is trim, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter engine that'll help sprint it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds.
Enough to give anything in our top 10 a serious run for its money.
The Z4's forgiving suspension setup makes it more at home on the motorway cruise than careering down country lanes, while
inside, you'll find a well-built, if slightly unimaginative, cabin and BMW's excellent iDrive infotainment system.